Good afternoon. My name is Michael Collins and I'm the General Manager of GFS Developments. On behalf of GFS Developments, I would love to welcome Ms. Aiza Khan, our GFS brand ambassador.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for being here. And we truly appreciate that you take out the time to celebrate the GF engagement with the world. And as you know, I am the brand ambassador for GFS. And today I am so proud to say that, I am representing GFS Builders and Developer in Dubai. And I wish them all the best for their projects, not just in Pakistan, but also around the globe. So thank you
very much. Thank you very much.
Any question for anyone?
Thank you very much. Excuse me, my name is Mukhtar Rasool from 9C News here. Thank you for the invitation.
Look at camera.
Yes. Always to the camera.
Okay.
Would you please describe your feelings after being the face and the ambassador of GFS?
GFS is now I have been with GFS from last 1 year, and it's a wonderful experience because in the field where it's not very easy, especially when you have to buy home and you have to trust somebody. It's not very easy to trust someone. And GFS के साथ अभी तक का जितना भी relationship मेरा रहा है, even लोगों का जिन्होंने इनके साथ investment की है और साथ collaboration किया, they're very happy with them, and I'm so happy कि किसी ऐसे को मैं represent कर रही हूँ जिससे लोग trust कर सकते हैं. जहाँ पर आपको पता है कि ये ऐसी फील्ड है जहाँ पर ट्रस्ट करना थोड़ा इतना आसान नहीं होता है, बट अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इनका बहुत अच्छा मार्केट में बहुत अच्छी इनकी लोग ट्रस्ट करते हैं इन लोगों पर, और आपकी कोलैबोरेशन जब साथ होती है दैट्स वेरी इजी कि लोग आप पे भी ट्रस्ट करें और आपकी कहीं भी हर बात पे ट्रस्ट करें. और ये रिलेशनशिप जो होता है ये मेरा इनके साथ 2 साल का 3 साल का है, बट ये ऐसा रिलेशनशिप है कि आपका हमेशा रहता है. बिकॉज मेरी भी कहीं भी एक बात अगर मैं कहती हूँ किसी को कि आप इन्वेस्टमेंट करें यहाँ पर, तो मेरी भी बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है इसकी. एंड आई एम ग्रेटफुल कि मैं इनका पार्ट हूँ, एंड आई विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट.
My name is Fahad Abbasi, and I want to know that how does it feel to be the brand ambassador of this GFX developments?
I feel amazing, and I think it's wonderful. And I feel so proud to associate myself with somebody who are very reliable and trustworthy as well.
Aiza and Zahid from Aaj News. It's much appreciated you are here. हर कोई दुबई आना चाहता है, रहना चाहता है, काम करना चाहता है. यहाँ का जो एटमॉस्फेयर है, बिजनेस हब है, तो आप समझते हैं यहाँ पर इन्वेस्टमेंट जो है वो हर पाकिस्तानी को करनी चाहिए, और यहाँ के जो एनवायरनमेंट से जो है वो भरपूर बिजनेस का जो फायदा है वो GFS के हवाले से लेना चाहिए.
Honestly, Dubai is like coming home because I love spending time here where everything is so convenient, like shopping, dining. Even I have my family here, so मुझे लगता है मैं तो जरूर दुबई में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी, and I'm sure सब करना चाहेंगे. It's very convenient.
Actually, in the market there's a lot of other brands they are working on this. So how you compete them recording?
We are competing with these guys based on we've done our market research. There are a generic square feet as per studios, 1 beds and 2 beds. We've gone a little bit bigger on these sizes. We are a lot more competitive on the prices, and we've got an amazing payment plan which comes down to a 1% per month. So other developers have a similar model, but not as aggressive as ours. So we are a main competitor, even though we've been pretty much launched 3 months ago. So some of these companies that we're competing with, people have launched multiple projects over 7 years. We're already ahead of that schedule. So with our project model, our aggression, and just our payment plan, our square feet, our prices, we're making a name for ourselves in the market, and it's an honor.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. You are the face of many series and dramas, so you are a beautiful actress.
Thank you.
So what I want to know is that with being the ambassador for this GFS, are you going to promote the shoots of some Pakistani movies or dramas or series in Dubai and letting out GFS developments as the venues or the shoot locations?
Oh, I think it's a good idea. I never thought about this before. I will definitely get in touch with them, and we'll do some massive shoots.
Inshallah,
So we
ब्रांड डिपार्टमेंट है. गुज़श्ता 3 महीने में यहाँ 30 बिलियन की ट्रांजैक्शन हुई है. खरीदो फरोख्त हुई है, तो आप क्या कहेंगे लोगों को क्यों दुबई में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए?
आई थिंक वो अपनी चॉइस होती है सबकी, बिकॉज अगर मैं कहीं पे भी रहना चाहती हूँ, मेरी अपनी पर्सनल चॉइसेस है। आपको फैमिली देखनी होती है, एजुकेशन देखनी होती है, सिक्योरिटी देखनी होती है। सो ये मुझे लगता है किसी भी शहर में, किसी भी मुल्क में रहने की चॉइस लोगों की अपनी होती है।
Okay, and let's talk about little bit of GFS developments. How do you feel like coming over here, and what about our office? What about the ambience? What is your feeling right now coming here at our Dubai office and GFS developments?
Honestly, right now I'm feeling proud because I'm here to represent GFS in Dubai, and inshallah we are also representing across the countries as well. अभी मेरा देखना रह गया ऑफिस का टूर because you guys were here, so देख नहीं पाई, but definitely अभी मैं जब देखूंगी, और I'm very excited to see the model apartments as well. So I'm very excited. Yeah.
आप इन्वेस्ट करने वाली हैं GFS में,
अच्छा मैं करने वाली
आप भी फ्लैट लेने वाली हैं, आपने बोला कि आप
नहीं, इंशाल्लाह बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, क्योंकि मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है कि जब मैं कोई चीज लोगों को कह रही हूँ करने के लिए, तो सबसे पहले मैं खुद जरूर करती हूँ, ताकि मुझे भी पता लगे, और कुछ भी हो तो मेरे कान पकड़ो।
What values do you share with this GFS development?
Can you repeat the question?
What values do you want to share with this GFS development?
Just said.
Values, I think the first thing when you invest on something, it's the reliability, and I think वो GFS की बहुत अच्छी है, and also when it comes to the trust, so alhamdulillah it's going very well.
Michael G.
Especially for myself to have the time with you, it's an absolute honour. And you know, I hope to have a long relationship with you and GFS as a fruitful one.
Yeah, inshallah. Thank you very much. Thank you.
माइक, कुछ GFS डेवलपमेंट के बारे में बताइए, आगे के फ्यूचर प्लान्स और आगे कौन कौन से प्रोजेक्ट्स आ रहे हैं, आप उसके बारे में थोड़ा मीडिया को बताएंगे?
Can you repeat the question?
Oh, sorry.
If anyone expected me to answer
I
that.
was expecting it as well. Okay, just tell me about GFS, where we are doing.
So GFS developments, you know, we are a new developer to the country, but we have hit the ground running. Our marketing is super aggressive. Our business model and plan is super aggressive. So there are plenty of competition in the key areas that we have started construction. We have already launched our first two projects, which is Coventry Gardens and Coventry 66. These areas are key investment areas. So at the moment we are in Dubai Lands residential complex and Dubai South. We have multiple projects extending into these same areas and other areas around Dubai. And it's a huge year for GFS developments because we are in such an aggressive market. We have to behave as aggressive or even more aggressive. But with our projects, our payment plans, our square feet, our prices, we are rattling some of the bigger companies, and we are known now in Dubai. It's been a short period of time. We have done a huge marketing campaign in brand awareness. People are setting up all over Dubai. And for me personally, it's an honor to be with such an aggressive company because it just shows that these guys mean business.
Thank you.
Thank you.